this handsome guy right here, he has a little motorcycle broke down, so he's staying. Hi.
So we're getting her medicine ready.
Okay, so this is the Total Parental Nutrition. It's got all of her nutrition stuff that she needs to live. This is her vitamins that I gotta put in there.
We're mixing TP so that she can get it pumped into her so that she can stay alive. We have to do this every night, don't we? Yep.
TPN stands for Total Parental Nutrition.
Total parental nutrition, so that she can get the nutrition she needs because she's missing her small intestine. So now that all the prep work is done, then we hook her up and she's off to bed, 9 o'clock every night. Mom's cleaning it out with saline right now.
Yes.
Yeah, so that she can give you your medicine and it not give you an infection.
I do that.
Yep.
Hi, future Jada. This is how you look when you're small. I said to my daddy, you get a toilet paper roll and you put it on your mouth, and that's how you make your lips bigger. Quite so.